Hello, hello. Hi. How are you guys doing? Good morning. Oh my god. Good morning. Welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. Sorry, I literally just turned on my computer like 10 minutes ago. So I was in a hurry to set up everything. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, extra. Big Brown Chan. Joseph. Ghost Liquidity. Alphas. Table. Jericho. Pino. Calvi. Marco. Carrie, good morning. Good morning, Daniel Trader. AA. Sean KK. Foss Unseen. Lucy's Cat. Samuel. Good morning, Five Handles. Will Lover. Anubis Chase. DBT. Momo. Morna. Lance K. Good morning, good morning. All right. Good morning, Mohammed. Sam Mino. Sim So Lai. Chris Lin. Carrie Sun. Ollie, hello. Bashi Chase. Great. All right. Did you guys watch like yesterday's stream? Like yesterday, did you watch till the end? This is like something happened after the outro. I play the outro usually like after the stream, like the music, and thanks for watching. And after the outro, something happened. So if you guys stay till the end, you will see what happened after the outro, right? As I know some of you are there, like Five Handles. I remember I saw you still on the chat after the outro. So for those who don't know what happened, you have to watch the replay. Yeah, it was nice, right? So okay, I will tell you guys. So I was in the chair when I tried to close the stream because it was like just chopping for a long time. I don't want to wait because I don't know how long I have to wait. Maybe 1 hour, right? So I want to keep streaming. That's why I like okay, let's play the outro and close the stream. And after I play the outro, prices hit my TP, so I was like, okay, let's come back. Let's come back to streaming. So I saw all of you the take parcel, and after the take parcel, I moved my stop loss to break even. So that's the second W of the stream. So yesterday we got 2W and 1L, which is normal trading. I mean, if all of my trades are W, I mean, would you even believe it? Because that's impossible. And you got L, you got W, which is very normal. And if you calculate the risk reward ratio, you will know what's your result, right? So I heard that yesterday we got something huge, right? Something huge for price action. I mean, oh, I forgot to play the music. I'm sorry. So this this is like I think after market close, is that? Or almost market close? Yeah, it's 4 p.m. So well actually like when we trading lower time frame, this is exactly the model we're trading. But this is just showing in a higher time frame because all we need is a huge drop, like a manipulation down, and then a displacement with speed, and also with the IFVG or IFVG, and then we chase back to a FVG or order block, and then you entry, and then close or take parcel with the closest minor bisecurity, and then you will close the those runners with the smooth liquidity pool, which is here. So all we need is find something like this in lower time frame. I mean, of course you can trade high time frame like this, but you need a larger stop loss, right? Because you probably enter here, and you will probably put your stop loss here. It will be 200 points. So it's not like you can. Of course you can, but like we're a day trader, so capture lower time frame energy. It's probably better for us, right? So, but the bad thing is like it's not benefiting us, because if we trade after a large range, that means we probably get consolidation again. Do we get any high impact news today? Let me take a look on the calendar. Okay. Yes. Oh. 8:30. It's not something special. Which is today's Thursday, right? Yeah. It's so not important. I mean, the most important thing is these two. Actually, this is not even where usually, like, I don't know, pink maybe or black, because like President Trump's speech definitely got more impact than this shit. Like this is nothing. Well. Let's take a look. What's that? Okay. Yes, going to the high also, NQ. MMO here. So actually I want to take a look here, because like this is a liquidity sweep, because you can see with like the price sweep this low with one tick. So yeah, I will still keep an eye on it, because one tick is not like significant sweep, right? What's that? Asia high here. Good morning, Janice. NQ is misbehaving? How come? Why would you say that? And also we got a daily FVG. Alright. Here for gap. And we got liquidity pool. I'm not saying we are going to this liquidity pool now, like at this moment, this session, but this is something we should keep an eye on, like for long term. These are 1 hour FVG. So we just turn this 1 hour gap into IFVG and keep going up right now. Sweep the high. It keeps trying to go higher. So what's the problem? What's the problem? NQ trying to go higher. Will you long this? No. Not at this moment. Not here. No. Because just like what I talked about yesterday's stream, right? Before you enter the trade, you have to assume every trade is a losing trade. So that means you have to know how much you're gonna lose for that trade, right? So for example, I expect price going up. So, but does that mean that I should enter now, right? And yeah, almost forgot. Sorry. Today we also got AquaFutures giveaway. So today I will be trading AquaFutures standard account and my personal account, obviously. So no worries. Wait a minute. Let me. Then you trader, you don't like AquaFutures, then don't use it, okay? I mean, but giveaway is free account. All right, so if you don't like it, yeah, sure, I can just exclude you for the giveaway, no problems. I mean, if you don't want free account, of course, you don't have to participate for the giveaway. You don't like DLL, you realize there's an account that doesn't have a DLL, right? Which is the one that I'm using. It's called standard account. So they have both account with DLL and non-DLL, which I think I talked about it. So I will get a quick review. So this is evaluation, this is instant account. Instant account obviously is more expensive because you don't have to pass the evaluation. The moment you bought this account, you can trade the fund account. But I don't like it because first, for the instant standard, they got DLL, which is hard bridge, not even soft bridge, which is hard bridge. So that means actually my maximum drawdown is 2,500, right? Which is not good. Second, pro account, instant pro. The drawdown mode is intraday trailing. I don't afraid of intraday trailing. I can totally handle it, but this is instant account, right? So I pay premium price for instant account, not for intraday trailing, all right? If it's evaluation, yeah, no problem, but instant account, no thanks. That's why I turn into this one step, which is evaluation. And they get both beginner and standard. So with the name, you already know that beginner will get a more affordable price. So you can choose the 50K, which is only $65. Wow. Which is very affordable. Well, of course, I love the standard. As always, I hate daily loss limit. There's no daily loss limit for the one-step standard account. It's only 80 bucks. So yeah, that's all. Profit split 90%. Consistency on funded only. So for evaluation, if you want to pass it on one day, you can do it because they don't have daily loss limit. They don't have consistency rule. You can just get to your target, which is $3,000 for a 50K account in one day. After it, when you pass it, you don't have to pay activation fee. So the whole cost is 80 bucks. Okay, no activation fee at all. And when you get to the funded account, that will be 40% consistency, which is acceptable. Okay, it's not like 20%. Of course, if you don't have consistency rule, it will be great, but 40% still acceptable, I would say. Yeah. So for this, I would say pretty good. For this one-step standard, I don't see anything I don't like it. I mean, they can improve it, of course. There's a lot of improvement as always, but with all the rules here, I would say it's just standard. Just like the name is standard. It's like the prop firm industry standard. So yeah, I'm fine with this account. Beginner, this is, get a lower price, but you have to remember that your daily loss limit is half bridge. So you have to make sure you don't hit this daily loss limit. If not, then you better just go with standard, right? I don't know, because beginner, like cheaper price with lower mass drawdown, I would say it's not worth it, but like it depends on you. I will personally recommend one-step standard because I am literally using it with my own money. Okay, I buy it with my own money, own credit card. So yeah, I'm using this one. Just let you know. And I will also, because I don't want to trade evaluation on the stream, so I also copy trade with my personal account. So what you're seeing on the screen will be my personal account, but I also link it with AquaFutures. So yeah, that's how it is right now. Is there no consistency once that funded? I think you can go with Lucid and Tradify. Lucid Flex, they don't have consistency rule on funded account, and Tradify, what's the name? Select Flex. Yeah, they also don't get there's a consistency rule on funded account. Beginner not bad. Well, it's up to you because like you guys know I love shading mini, right? So if I use beginner, bro, I'm definitely gonna hit the DLL, which is a hard bridge, right? So no. So for me, I will be going with the standard. So no matter which account you're using, I would say it depends on your trading strategy, because I did recommend this to one of my friends, which is a very profitable trader. Okay, and after like he read the rules, he chose the instant account, which is I just said I don't like it, but for him, the instant account is actually better because he don't have to spend any time on evaluation, so he can just go straight with the funded account. So I'll say it depends on you. And they also get forex, which I don't trade forex anymore, as you know. I don't trade CFD anymore. I mean, I can't even know this. Okay. No. Since I'm futures trader, I'm not gonna talk about the forex. Yeah. So let's come back to the instant have consistency. Yes, of course. Always, I don't even have to read the rules. I assure you, every instant account in every prop firm, they got consistency rule. I mean, if not, then they can't make money. I mean, the business model is not sustainable for that prop firm. So they definitely have consistency rule for instant funding account. Yes, TPT also have no consistency rule on funding account. You're right. And also for those who don't know it yet, like I got a TPT Take Profit Trader giveaway in this code. So for this month, whoever used the code Candies to buy a TPT account, you can participate in this giveaway. So all you have to do is join my Discord, go to the giveaway channel, and you will see all the details there. So later today, we will get the AquaFutures giveaway. And now we'll go back to the chat first. Yeah. All right. So, what's the suggestion to build a big buffer? It depends on your financial condition. I mean, I know it sounds like bullshit, but for real, like, can you afford to lose that funded account or evaluation? Like, what account size are you using? How many accounts are you copy trading? There's no model answer for all this, because that's why everyone need a financial advisor, like customize your financial planning for you. Because like, if you are those fucking rich kid, or if you're just a college student, right? That's different. For example, those college students don't understand why we can spend so much money on pot firms, because they never even worked for one single full-time job before. They don't know people can have a lot of saving after working for 10 years. That's why they don't understand why people got those money. And for those not even from the rich, why they have money for pot firms? It's impossible. They may be scammers or cheaters or just affiliate commission, right? Things like that. And they don't understand, actually we work. We work so hard for full-time jobs. We get promoted, we get bonus, right? We get a lot of saving. That's why we can spend those money. And so everyone's it's different. It would only depends on your financial condition. What study and brew? What are you talking about? If no trades available, they are ready to not take a trade and wait it out. Yes, of course. And we just start the stream for like I think 30 minutes. Right now we're in premium. We're in premium for the range. Yes, with the high. I didn't see any setup yet. And just so I don't know if anyone's joining this stream watching my stream for the first day. Just so you know, sometimes we don't take chase because we didn't see anything, and sometimes we take losing chase or even losing streaks. All right, because we are real traders. This is what happened with real trading. You take losing chase, and you will get back with winning chase with good RR. So your risk-reward ratio and your average win rate is actually determine your ultimate result, like your trading performance. It's not one losing chase, not one losing day. So if you also in drawdown or in a losing week, It's all right, because we all been through that. I mean, I've been through there for sure. I don't just wake up one day and become a millionaire, okay? I mean, I struggle a lot. I struggle for years. Payout review. At the time of a payout request, your largest losing trade exceeds your largest winning trade. Your payout request will be denied. Well, I would say it's quite fair, because obviously you're gambling, isn't it? Isn't it? I mean, like, I kind of don't understand why people got such a, like, large losing trade. I mean, you get stop loss for your trade, isn't it? So you gamble and your payout request got denied, and that's the performance problem. I mean, you're trading with a platform, you're not gambling with a like sports betting company. You realize that, right? That's what something happened. I mean, I don't even gain any money from AquaFutures. Okay, I don't care if it's AquaFutures or any platform or Apex or Tradify or Lose It. I mean, these kind of rules. Just think about it. You're a platform, and that's not a trader. That person is obviously gambling. So why should I pay you, man? If you want to gamble, don't go to platforms. Don't go with trading. All right. And if you get payout request denied, you know it damn well. You just say it, right? The reason is you're gambling with your trade. You just say it, and you wonder why you got denied. So funny, so funny. And if you don't like the rules, as I always said, just trade personal account, right? I mean, I trade my personal account too. I trade personal and platform. So when I realized probably right now the price session, I can trade my account with those rules. I'll go with my personal account. You can do it too, isn't it? But you don't have enough capital, right? So you don't have enough capital. That's why you turn to platforms trading. So since platform trading is your only choice, so what gonna happen is you have to obey those rules. You have to be obedient, because platform is your only way, isn't it? That's just that simple. You know, that's how the game works. If you don't like the game, don't play the game. If you want to play the game, if you have to play the game, you have to follow the rules. It's not something very complicated, isn't it? And there's so many platforms out there. You can choose whatever. But if you keep on gambling your account, you will eventually get denied payout for all platforms. What? Who is that? They want me to say buy this, sell this, use this promo code. What are you talking about? Study and book. Calm down, alright? Calm down. I don't know what happened to you, but calm down. Calm down. I always said you have to study. I see concept. I don't know, man. I literally post. I get a channel on my Discord that I posted some like ICT recommended playlist, which is I posted in 2025 July, which is actually 1 year ago. Like I posted, but people still say that I didn't recommend the ICT YouTube channel, which is like they're blind. I'm actually looking at 15 seconds and 30 seconds shot on my second screen. So let's see. So to be honest, right now I didn't see anything. I don't know if you guys see anything right now. I didn't. I didn't see anything. I mean, on the chat, I didn't see any setup. at all. You're saying about the trolls. There's so many trolls out there. Which time frame liquidity you mark? There's no specific time frame. I just mark those obvious liquidity pool, and I would say like some of the minor liquidity pool, session high, session low, right, or the latest liquidity pool which is close to the current price. For example, this one, like this is not something. This is not major liquidity pool, but this is so close to the current price, so I mark it here. Can you use the ICT concept for the World Cup? Sorry, chat. I mean, I didn't watch the World Cup. I'm sorry. And I used to be a football fan, but not anymore. When I was a kid, I watched World Cup, not anymore. I only watch UFC right now. I was waiting the July 12th, the UFC 329. That is something that I'm waiting for. I mean, I think that's because like from my hometown, they usually can get into World Cup. Not usually. I think they never get into World Cup. So that's why, you know, I kind of not very interested on watching this. I'm just watching other countries. So I am not watching my own home country. So it's not excited. 2 a.m. opening near CB. Ooh, 2 a.m. opening. This one. Already rejected price once. Which CB are you talking about? Oh, I just realized I'm actually watching 1 minute time frame, right? I actually hide the end-dot envelope because like we got so many envelope here, too many. So I think I will hide the envelope. So this is the end-dot here. Cool. I said soccer because I know I get a lot of like US traders here on the stream. I adapt to the environment here. Have you used the silver bullet before? Great questions. Great questions. I was actually a silver bullet trader before for a whole fucking year. I've been trading silver bullet on CFD, on Euro USD, GBP USD, and ES indices like CFD on CFD at that time. So you can look for it on my Twitter. It's probably in 2023 and some of the 2022, as I remember. Post a lot of charts about it. Well, I gotta say I'm not like very good at it at that time, but I did make a lot of money just by trading silver bullet with CFD. But since I switched to futures, you know, the risk calculation is different, right? for CFD, no matter your stop loss put it here or put it here, you can still use the same amount of risk, for example 1%, right? But for futures, the stop loss, if you put it here or here, if you get a larger stop loss, you will be losing more money. But with CFD, it's not the case. So I have to adapt to these asset class, which I have to change the model. So I don't use the silver bullet anymore. So it's not like it's not profitable or what, but just I think the model I'm trading right now is more suitable for me. And also for silver bullet, it's like they got a specific time period, which is usually 1 hour window, right? For London session, it would be 3 to 4, and for like New York session, it would be 10 to 11, and also they got another one on PM session. So it's whole hour. So whenever 10 a.m. start, I will try to look for anything that is possible and see it as the silver bullet model, which is not the case, right? Which is not the case, but since I only get 1 hour for that session to trade, I will see every PD area as a possible entry point. So I know it's not right to do. So, I just switch to other trading model. But I would say it depends on your personality. Like, if you find, you're making more money with silver bullet, then just stay with it. $15? What do you mean? These two. I don't really take a look on 15 minutes. Like, I will take a look before I want to take any trade. I mean, when I'm doing top-down analysis, but I'm not gonna switch to 15 minutes all the time. I'll probably switch to 1 hour. It's like, okay. Let me take a look. Like 1 hour is more important to me. And 5 minutes. Nothing yet. I feel like I need to wear glasses. Yeah. I actually got the glasses. Do you guys want to see it? It's kind of weird though. So I actually got, like, I have laser. Oh, I have laser. So right now I don't need glasses anymore. But I did have one, which is very weird. Don't laugh at me, alright? I'll see if it's gonna help. Oh my god! But it's so clear. I can see everything very clear right now. So I read this. But it's not cool. It makes me look like a nerd. Which I'm actually a nerd though. But it just makes me look like kind of weird. Isn't it? It's quite good. I see everything so clear. No? Secretary look. Okay, I'll take it down. It's kind of weird though. I don't know. I'm not very familiar with this face. A super nerd? No. Come on. Looks like teacher. Just me, really? All right, okay. I will wear it next time. Pro forecasters. Okay, it's not bad. That's not bad. Okay, I'll create a pro for that. Okay, I just created the flow for you guys. Let me know. I personally vote no. Why not enter the FUG for sale? Here. Oh, you can enter it if you want. It's not that you can, but just... I don't know, it's not very persuasive for me right now. Like, I didn't see anything which is very attractive for me to enter. And price just keep on chopping. And we got N dot here. We got a relatively large BC here. So I doubt that price will go to this low. I mean, price may go to this low, but they will probably consolidate again here with the N dot and the BC here. So then if I have to close the trade or take parcel here, it'll be 1-1. I can put it here. This is too close. Risk reward ratio not quite good. And it's only 10 points. No. I didn't see anything that is, yeah, that make me want to enter. We will get smoked like yesterday with this PA. Well, this is possible because like I think yesterday we've been consolidating for quite a long time, right? Oh. So like this is yesterday, right? This is the yesterday London session. Can you guys see that? Even after London session, this is the pre-NY. We're still just chopping around in the same range. So we've been like that. I'm so glad I take parcel for those 2W. If not, I probably got 3L. Because of the take parcel, I got 2W. Start NYM stream? Nope. No. Do you want me to die or something, man? I'll be exhausted. Like, so NY session right now for summertime it start at 5:30 p.m. in my local time. So no. I got a lot of things to do after the stream. Okay, I don't just trade. Okay, I do a lot of things. And I got a personal life. I don't even have time for the next short, the YouTube short. Do you guys like the YouTube short? Or do you guys think like it's not necessary? Can you tell me your feedback? Like, do you want to see those shorts? Because like it's literally the clip of live streams. So if you watch live stream, you already know what happened. But for those who didn't like stay for the whole stream, they may want to catch it up. So this just depends on you. All right, 74% said I have to wear my glasses, which is crazy. I got it, chat. I'm gonna fucking wear it today. I should get new glasses though. So weird. I'm nerd today, okay? Okay, today's concept is nerd. All right, great. Which is actually better. I mean, I can see everything so clear, which is not bad. Actually, when I go to the eyeglasses shop, so that guy's actually tell me that I don't have to wear one because like I'm just like 50 degrees or 75 because I've done the laser. But sometimes if you focus on the chart for long time, because I used to spend 10 hours a day on the chart, right? So after 10 hours, I literally can't see anything. So I have to wear glasses. You don't watch shorts. Corn dog, you have to watch. I mean, it's just 30 seconds. You have to watch it, all right? It's just 30 seconds. You can watch it, definitely. It's your second day on my stream. Thank you for coming. Thank you for tuning in. So for anyone who's come to my stream for the first time, I usually start the stream at 2 a.m. Eastern time every day, almost every day. So don't forget to join us. We've got a great community here. For real. I mean, I love my community as always. The chat always keeps me accountable. Wow, okay, let me take a look at this. We got a BPR here. You felt the cut on your left eye. But right now they don't do laser anymore, right? They got something called Smile, which is the like recent surgery. So you got a smaller wound for your eye. Because I've done that like I will expose my age, but I've done the laser surgery in 2012. Man, this is decades ago, okay? Decades. It was decades ago. So you want to take a shot right now? I want to wait for more confirmation right now because like it just kind of suspicious. Price sticking around with this CB. We just created a relative equal high if you can spot it, right? This is a relative equal high. Yeah, of course I'm in my 30s. What do you mean? Well, I never hide. I talk about it so many times. You did it 5 years ago. So it's alright. I mean, like after 10 years, you will get. I think I wear glasses after 12 years, so you'll be fine. And I don't have to. I mean, if I'm not like reading or like focusing on charts, I don't have to wear glasses too. 40s? No, not yet. Okay, not yet. Come on, come on. Don't do that to me. But I will be in 40s one day. Everyone will be in their 40s one day. So you don't have to worry about. This PA is so boring. That's why I'm talking bullshit right now. Don't you realize I'm not even talking about price action? Because there's nothing for me to discuss. I mean, we're just shopping. Who the fuck just say aunt? Who the fuck is that? Who the fuck is that? You have to be 10 years old if you want to call me aunt, okay? I'm from Hong Kong. I'm from Hong Kong. But right now I'm living in Dubai. For 3 nights only, stop giving. Yeah, you know, if we don't get to the, like, I don't have the giveaway for you. I mean, I can always do the giveaway tomorrow or next week, right? They probably don't like AquaFutures. I think that's the reason. So they don't want a free account. Seems like yesterday PA. It's actually better than yesterday PA because like the range is smaller. Yesterday it just creates so many traps that make me want to get in, and then I got stop out with break even, stop out with take partial. And if you're consolidating like this, I don't even want to get in. So it's actually not bad. I will be very patient because I don't see any opportunities at all. When's my next trip? I'm planning to go to Korea for my next trip. But it won't be like during these few months because I know it's so hot, right now. I will see if my idols are holding any concert. If there's a K-pop concert that I want to watch, I would definitely fly to Korea instantly. Do you think Asia session has more opportunity than London session? That's a good question because like when I first started trading, Asia session wasn't like that because they changed the what's the it called? It was T+2 for the I don't know what the English word for that, but you know what I mean, right? Right now they changed it to T+1, I guess. Alright, just after something like that happened, the Asia session is different because it used to be Asia range and it's not ranging anymore. Obviously, it's not ranging. It's a huge session. So yeah, I think you have to backtest your model first, of course, and demo trade because demo trade is just forward testing. So backtesting, forward testing, and with all the trading results and your trading journal, then you will know if you're suitable for trading Asia session. Okay, we just sweep the relative equal high here. I mean, the chat tell me to wear the glasses, okay? I just follow the chat. The chat tell me I should wear it. But it's not like a trendy glasses, like I have to buy a new one. Start up your career beauty products and fashion. Oh yeah. Okay, we're going up right now. Let me take a look. Did you guys trade yesterday AM session, NYAM session? I take multiple losses, and very fortunate I got to W that save my ass. So I take these two trade. I think. Let me see. Which one? This one. Yeah, this one, and this one. So like this one is good. I mean, this one is so easy. I just close my trade here for the minor by security. I didn't hold it till the end. I think did I? No, I didn't. I didn't hold it till the end because I was trading mini. But when I was trading this one, I actually got multiple L's because like price keep on chopping, and I was trying to long with this because the crypto is so obvious, it's so smooth. So I was trying to keep on taking a long position to the crypto, which I got multiple losses. So at the end, I take a long here, cover all the losses, and close the trade here. So that's the two long position I took, 2W I took for the NYM session. Just so you know, when I take trades, I got W and I got L. Or I just don't, I'm not winning all the time. It's impossible. And you know my FH win rate is like 40% to 45, so it's just normal. But if you have calculated risk for your stop loss, it'll be fine. You'll be fine. Tell my strategy. I just talk about it so many times. You have to watch the stream, all right? Should I make a video about the strategy? But actually, you know, like it's just ICT concept. There's nothing special. I always tell you, yeah, my strategy isn't something special. I mean, I did customize it to fit my personality, to fit my risk tolerance, everything. Yes, I did customize it, but it's still ICT concept. I mean, it's not like something. It's not a holy grail or some secret sauce. Because trading is 10% trading strategy and 90% trading psychology. Which trading psychology is including risk management, because I would say it's the same thing. Like risk management is actually should be included in trading psychology. You want a video? So hard to make a long form video. Okay, I'll think about that. Oh, it's going up. Anyone in any trades right now? Because I'm not. I mean, if I'm on trade, you'll see it on the screen. I am not. Degree boss is 1 hour FVG, because like 1 hour FVG is actually it's got a very important role in my trading model. So I always annotate it on the chart. Not one influencer has done any content about it. No, I think a lot of traders talk about this, but just those videos didn't get viral because no one's want to hear about psychology. Everyone just saying, okay, that must be something some secrets behind the trading strategy, which is not. What scenario are you expecting right now? I think price is going to the daily FVG here, but I don't want to trade, like I don't want to take a long to the daily FVG because we are in such a premium for the range, and we don't have like sell side increase rate for me to entry along, and we got MNO on the downside. But we did turn this 1 hour CB into IFVG. So yeah, obviously we are high time frame bullish. I just didn't see any setup I like. Believe me, if I see anything, I will definitely enter. Right? I took 3 trades for yesterday's stream, and it's like a 2.5 hour stream. I already took 3 trades, so if I see something, I will enter. No worries. Just I didn't see anything yet. Previous daily high? Yeah, I know. So actually, this daily FVG is the daily high, the previous daily high. So for those asking, do you adjust the BADJ, right? ICT Michael got a video talking about this. You can watch it. He explained it in details, like why he use it or not use it. Don't spam the chat. Oh. How do you like AquaFutures? I just use it for the second day, to be honest. But like I read the rules, it's alright. It just standardized the standard account for the platform industry. So I'm using it. Like, I mean, they didn't get anything special. They don't have something new compared to other platforms. But it's not bad because the rules are just exactly the same like other platforms. So I would say if you already max out for those like common platforms, which is like Apex, Lucid, Shadify, TPT, then yeah, I think you want to increase more funded account. AquaFutures will be the one that I would turn to. But you have to max out on Take Profit Trader, Shadify, Lucid, and Apex first. Because I know many of you didn't even get any accounts on Apex or TPT. So maybe you should max out first. Are you still so rich? Why are you asking me this question? Oh, come on. Come on. So, you know, I took a flight. You know, took a flight. Bro, this is the first time that I fly with first class. For real, I was flying with business class when I go to that place, but because the flight is a small plane. It's not A3, A0. So the business class is actually not very comfortable. And I was on period. Okay, I mean, I know these are excuse, but I just say, oh my God, I need a more comfortable seat. So I just changed my business class ticket to first class when I returned to Dubai. Yeah. Well, I mean, it's well spent money. I'm not spending on Lambo or Rolex, right? For experience, for comfortable, that's good. And once you try first class, oh my God, you can't go back. I mean, for real, you can't go back with business class anymore. Like when you try first class, you know, oh my God, no more business class. I can't fly with business class again, for real. Yeah, I drank almost the whole bottle of champagne. The first class lounge is amazing. But like, for the airport that I like come back to Dubai, they only got one lounge for Emirates Airlines. So first class and business class will be in the same lounge. So yeah, but it's okay. I mean, because whatever happened in the flight is more important. I usually don't feel comfortable when I'm flying, like on the plane. I don't know, it's because of the pressure, the air pressure. So I just feel very under the weather. Yeah, you got me, right? You try first class once because you wasn't feeling well. Yes, exactly. You know, I know it's kind of like excuse, but I was on period. Come on, of course I need something. I need to treat myself better, alright? You always book business and then upgrade to first. Yeah, I feel like it's actually quite worth it because you don't have to pay much. Actually, the price is almost the same. I just have to pay for like around 4,000 dirhams. I have to pay 4,000 dirhams more for upgrading to first class, which is like, oh come on, it's worth it. Did you use Starling on the plane? Yeah. Oh, Jack, Chase, and Q. Hey, good morning, Jack. How are you doing? Well, you're living in the States, right? So it's like 3 a.m. for you. Oh my God. Thank you for tuning in. Are you living in the States or are you living in Paris, France, right? Because I thought, yeah, you live in Paris, right? Yeah, good to see some Asian traders for you. Because I didn't see many Asian traders on Twitter, so it would be great to connect with some of you. Keep on going up. Oh, come on. I didn't take any trades yet because I can't find any entry point with good visual ratio. Keep on going up, baby. Yep. I didn't get it. I didn't get into the trade. Okay, we finally reached to the daily average. Too much information. Previous daily high got swept long time ago. You know that. Realize that, right? No, I'm just keep on waiting right now because it's just too premium right now. I can't get into any trades. I'll need a very large stop loss to get into a long with that premium. But sorry, I mean it's not my model. I mean my model didn't even exist, so I'm not gonna enter it. Imagine waking up earlier than usual and NQ took your London target after 5 minutes. You should wake up earlier. That means. Anyone looking for short? I'll see if there's any short setup first. I mean, because right now I didn't see any short setup. Yeah, I know we got sell side liquidity here, like loss of sell side liquidity here, yes. But there's no setup. I mean, just the creep, and not even obvious the creep. Oh, I'm so boring. Yeah, seriously. Oh, come on, come on. Did your Discord account hacked by someone you keep received a message from you? That is not me. Alright, first, I actually turn off the DM function in my Discord so no one can add me as a friend and no one can send me DM. So for whoever you're getting DM with the name Candice, that is a scammer. It's a fraud, which is not me. It's a fake account. Okay, so if you have something you want to contact me, you can definitely reach out in Discord, like our Discord group. So you can just type something, tag me, or if you need somehow, you can create a support ticket. Our greatest support, Harrison, will help you. So if you're DM with someone that named Candice, this is not me. 100% sure that's not me. So if that person tell you to, send money to her or buy something from her, that's not me. That's a scam. The real Candice has glasses. I actually don't wear glasses very often. Chat. Oh, come on. There's nothing I can do right now with the price. It's been 1.5 hours. Oh, come on. Come on. Sam, you're in none, but you don't know where to set your TP. Well, it will depend on your strategy. Because if your strategy require significant liquidity used to be out, but if not, you can, if your strategy is like using stop loss trailing, then you should be keep on trailing your stop loss and have a set of rules for like how to determine if you should be closing out the trade. For example, how many bearish candlesticks you take to close your trade, or how many pawns, or how's the range it is. So you need to have a set of rules first if you want to use the keep on trailing stop loss strategy. Because I tried that, and obviously my personality just don't allow me to use that strategy. So I don't use that anymore. You might go back to sleep. I totally get you, but you're in Paris, right? It's like, it's the morning. Why are you sleeping? Why are you sleeping? It's like, what time is that in Paris? 8:30 a.m.? Oh, come on. too hot in Paris without AC. What? But I don't understand why the buildings in Europe don't have AC. Because it used to be cold in summer. Because we broke what? What kind of answer is that? Because most of them are really, oh, I see. You feel like you wake at 7 a.m. not shave it. Yeah, yeah. I mean, we can just live stream together, right? It will be fun. Just chat with some traders, you know, real traders here. You know, that's why I love the chat, because I know you guys are real traders, not just some gamblers or just some content creators out there. Because, you know, when you join some Discord, not every one of them are really want to learn how to trade. Like, most of them are just talking bullshit and, you know, cheating with the platforms. I don't like those people. So boring. London PA is so ass. How come? It's actually quite good for the PA today. I mean, it's not keep on ranging. This, if you can catch this move, it's a good trade. It's actually, but it's not my trading model, obviously. But yeah, if you get in here, get out here, it will be still a good trade. Like 130 points. Probably waiting for the news later. I'll wait until 4 a.m. and see if we got anything. But I feel like the glasses make me look older, isn't it? I feel like I really feel like right now I look like 40s with the glasses. Okay. But the problem is the daily average is so large. It's like 200 points. So, and we're not even in the middle of it, right? Let me. So the midpoint of this daily average will be here, and it's just so far away. Is the top? I don't know, man. We did touch the midpoint of the 1 hour average, but we're so far away from the midpoint of daily average. So that's also one of the concerns. Can also use cautions. Yeah, you're right. Let me check the Twitter, you know. Did I miss something? Any special things happen on Twitter? Because I didn't take a look on Twitter for a few days. Oh, I love this one. Let me show you. Here for this, so ICT make a post yesterday. Nail a simple model in 5 sentences maximum, and that's what he did. Determine a draw on liquidity where price is likely reaching, like NWAT, PDHPL session high low. Wait for opposing liquidity during or immediately after 10-50 macro, which this one I don't use. Like I don't use the macro, but right now for this one I'm using it. Second one I'm using it. Entry on first average in the present price structure, or use average in one to opposing liquidity to a draw on liquidity. I'm using this one too. Frame your risk to 1% or less. Hard stop loss placement beyond candle. Number one, what? On the of the average, or first of the average you use for entry. Yes, this one I'm using too. I'm actually get a lower stop loss too, but I will trail my stop loss to here when price going up or like down. Take 50% off your position off at half of the range between your entry and draw on liquidity. The balance limit out just before your terms. Alright, so one, I'm using it obviously because I always talk about you need an office liquidity pool before getting into any trades or any setup. So this one I'm using it. Second one, I'm using it too. I'm waiting for the opposing liquidity, right? But I'm not using macro. I just don't use it, okay? Don't ask me why, I just don't like using it. I try it, which is not something for me. And the third one, yes, I'm using IFVG, or sometimes price go up. Well, wait, I saw something. Wait, I saw something. No. Okay, the answer is no. Okay, I will go back to it. I'm just trying to see if this is my entry or not, but no, the answer is no. Alright. Yeah, what I was talking about. Yeah, IFVG and stop loss and take partial. So I didn't use number 5, obviously. I'm not using it very often. I'm trying to adapt to it. Like take parcel. I'm just too greedy to take parcel. And yeah. But I will try to take more parcels from now on. So yeah. That is actually the ICT concepts, like the essence of ICT concepts. But as I always said, like 10% trading strategy, 90% trading psychology. So knowing this is meaningless because you have to know how to read the market. ICT concept is about how to read the market. It's not about the trading model. So I saw a lot of traders out there saying, okay, ICT concept is just liquidity sweep and then go to another liquidity pool. Bro, if that is the thing, then why aren't you on the billboard, right? Obviously, it's not that easy. Obviously, there's a lot of things. But like, you can just, I'll bookmark this one. Save this. And when you backtest your trading model, you can just review your model if you fulfill all these requirements. It's great. Feel like I didn't get anything today, baby. I mean, I feel like I won't get anything today. Maybe I will just do the giveaway earlier today. No name. You know so no name is the person that win yesterday giveaway but didn't show up, which after the stream he talked to us in Discord saying that I actually typed something but like it didn't show up in the chat. So I checked the back end, see what's happened. So you actually got timeout or shadow banned. It's obviously because you said something which is not suitable for the live chat, so you get shadow banned. So you're not showing up on the chat. All right. So, but we will still offer you that giveaway for that. I mean, because that is the first time something like that happened. But just so you know, if you get timeout or shadow ban for a while, it's definitely because you said something which is not appropriate in the live chat. We got moderators here, okay? We got moderators in Discord and also in YouTube. So just be careful if you want to join the next giveaway, alright? Because this is a community. This is not just you and me here. Okay, chit-chatting. So bear in mind. And next time, if something like that happen again, like someone actually got timeout or shadow ban, but they also join a giveaway and win a giveaway, next time that person will not get the prize. This time we will give you the prize, but next time We will not do it anymore. Must have name. No name must have name. Okay, I guess so. Yeah, sure. No name, no price. You don't want to join loans here way too premium. Yes, exactly. That's why I didn't get into the loan or get into any chase. Like from here, we know price is going to daily FUG, but like, how am I gonna? How will I enter here? I can't enter. I can. I really want to enter, but I can't. But no name. I think no name is from Malaysia, right? We got a lot of Malaysian traders here. So where are you guys come from? I mean, like, or currently living in? I don't know. Like, it depends on which thing you want to answer. I'm just curious because, like, I mean, like, I'm from Hong Kong, so I assume probably a lot of Hong Kong traders watching, which I can see the data in the back end, which is the case. So, but I was just wondering why there's so many other traders, like, because I'm not doing any paid advertisement. I didn't do something like that. I didn't do any paid marketing. So I'm just wondering why you guys can find me on the internet, right? I'm not even making non-form videos anymore. I'll make it. So where are you guys come from? Canada, Israel, LA, Dubai. Okay, we got some Dubai traders here. Oh, Perth, Australia, Southampton, UK, Poland. What is that? I don't know what that is. Sydney, France, HK, or some Hong Kong traders. You found me due to TPT? How come? India, Egypt. Oh, Egypt, I live in Lorry. Okay. My personal trainer is from Egypt too. London, but live in Bangkok. Kenya. Wow, that's a lot. Italy. West Africa? Wow. Oh my god, I can't pronounce that name, but like I know what country is that. Ah, you saw my post on X. I see. Thank you. Thank you for joining the stream. I mean, I really want to take some trades for real, but I didn't see anything. Samoa. Is that how it pronounced? You found me through my 1M payout. Yeah, I know. A lot of people know me after the payout. Why so many Malaysian traders? And we actually already got a lot of Singaporean traders here too. We found my live stream. Oh, Taiwan. Oh, Jack, Chase, and Kill. You're technically Chinese, but you were born in Paris. Oh. Yeah, some Chinese trader here. Awesome. Oh, you found me from Pop Trader Fest. Okay, that's awesome, man. Thank you for letting me know, because I was just wondering, is that useful to go on those like interviews? Because actually, I rejected so many interviews. Like, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, guys. You know, I was like, I'm still camera shy and stage shy. So I have no choice but to reject those interviews and or speech. It's so hard to talk in English fluently. I mean, I just want you to understand that. I'm kind of guilty for rejecting all these invitations though. When TPT did the affiliate cleanup, I was I was Kip and you were wondering who this is. Man, you know that TPT thing. You know how many hates I got just because I stayed. You have no idea. But yeah, it is what it is. So we can no longer go back to low camera. Come on, why? Who knows? I have to get up 2 hours earlier for for camera, you know. Because I have to take a shower first to get myself like really focused. You don't think they were ready for my response? What response? Performance stream. All right, awesome. Oh, you found from ICT retweeting my tweet. Great. Yeah. How do you manage to do trading now if you're at office doing full-time job work? So actually, I talked to some of the people in my community before because most of them are still working a full-time job, and they did tell me that when if they get in a trade but they still have to work like on their job, it's actually messing their mind because you will keep thinking about the trade. So it's actually messing their full-time job work. And also because you can't focus on the chart, so it's easier to make a wrong decision for your trades because you have no choice to make swing trades if you have a trade with a full-time job. So for me, I would say you better trade after you finish the work. That is what I was doing when I'm working a full-time job. So for example, I work like back then I was living in Hong Kong, so I can't trade London session because London session will be 2 p.m. for my local time. So I was working. I can trade. So I will be only trading New York session at the time. So if you're living in New York, then you probably have to trade Asia session or London. So what I suggest will be just focus on your full-time job work first. I mean, you can watch some ICT videos if you have time, but I don't suggest trading while you're not like alone because you should be working with your coworkers, right? I guess. So people is around you. Maybe people will you suddenly get a phone call from your boss, or someone just passed by your seat. Like I don't feel good to take any trades. So I will only take trades after the work. So that is what I was doing at the time. Can't go back to no gases? How come? I think I look better without gases, isn't it? I was just trying to play a nerd concept today. Yes, and back then when I was working that full-time job, like, I mean, I switched to so many industry before, but my last full-time job, which is a work in an office, I actually don't have much workload, but I still feel uncomfortable to take chase. So imagine if you're a busy like person, busy staff that you have a lot to handle. You have to keep on getting some phone calls. You can't focus. If your boss discover you trading during work hours, there's serious risk of getting fired. Yes, exactly. Looks more like a serious trader. But I am a serious trader. What do you mean? I mean, I'm not even wearing tank top, which I think I used to wear tank top at home because it's summer right now. But I try to cover myself with a shirt. This is crazy. I don't wear shirt, you know, in my daily life. Sometimes we're like in winter, not in summer. I try to look like a serious trader by wearing a shirt. That's crazy. I should just wear a bikini, right? I will get 10 times real if I wear bikini on live stream. I am so fucking sure. I'm 100% sure. 10 times of the current real. No, no tank top. No, no, no. You can't focus on the chat. I mean it. If I wear tank top, you can never see anything on the chat. You will keep on focusing on me. Trust me. So no, just put my shirt. Man, price is not moving. I mean, there's nothing I can do with price. Okay. So 5 minutes later will be 4 a.m. I'll see if we get anything at 4 a.m. It's not moving. Oh my god, like Jack, you still here? Hope you're not disappointed because like I usually take chase on stream, but today I didn't see anything like suitable for my model, so I didn't take any chase for stream. Trying to demonstrate something here, but like that's nothing. Thank you only job after I close, after the 1 hour close, 1 hour close. Oh my god. Yeah, I would say so. I will. Let me take a look. I'm focusing on 15 seconds and 30 seconds shot. I did want to take a short, but like we also created some channel here. Like here. Oh no, not this one. I don't know if you can see it, like here, right? And here, right? These two here. So it's just not safe to short with this liquidity here. So I think we get to 100 channel lines, right? Which firm is best for beginners? Beginners. Like, how beginners are you? Like, are you beginners for prop firms? Are you beginners for trading? Because if you just get into trading, you shouldn't trade with any prop firms. Just to be honest, I'm just gonna give up the affiliate sales. But if you just get into trading, you shouldn't trade with any prop firms. But if you've been trading for a while, like you know how to trade, you're just new to prop firm industry, then yeah, of course you can try. I will recommend, let me think, if you're new, then you should try a 50K account, obviously. I would say either Tradify or Take Profit Trader. But first, Tradify is actually more affordable for the price compared to Lucid. I mean, because I have to also include a reset price. I assume if this is the first time you get into prop firm industry, you will blow up some accounts, right? So you have to reset it. And when you reset, Tradify is cheaper to reset compared to Lucid. Yep. And Take Profit Trader, you can get your payout faster. Because I assume you know how to trade and you just get into the prop firm industry. So it's probably not too hard for you to get a payout. So when you get a payout, like on the second day, like because they got daily payout. So when you get your payout on the second day, you can cover the cost you spend on prop firms. This is very important because just like trading, prop firm is about cost and payout. So your payout can cover your cost, you're profitable. It's that simple. So the sooner you get your payout, the sooner you cover your costs. So whatever happens after you get your payout, even if you blow up your account, you're still profitable because you cover your costs and you make profit. So that is something, oh my God, is that the shot that we're looking for? So yes, what I recommend will be Tradify and Take Profit Trader, the 50K account, if you're new to the prop firm industry. But if you're new to trading, just backtest first, okay? Backtest and forward test. No, this is a long way to the upside. Come on. Oh, baby. No chase, no chase. Oh, holy crap. Man. Oh, come on. Is ES going to the previous daily high? Yeah, I would say, oh, okay, you say Apex. Because it's cheap, so if you both... Oh yeah, sorry, Apex. I'm sorry, Apex. I forgot Apex got EOD drawdown. I'm so sorry. Because when I was trading with Apex, they only get intraday challenge. So, yes, so... But it's like expensive, more expensive for EOD. Yeah, you can go with Apex. But like, I have to say, if you trade Apex, but you're not trading with them with the 20 accounts, you're actually wasting your opportunities. Because we all know they will move you to live, like in random time. We don't know when. And then, like, for example, like me, when I get my third payout, when I request my third payout, I got moved to live. So I didn't get 6 payout. So, and if you're trading one account with them and they move you to payout, move you to live after 3 payouts, then you will never have a chance to get 20 accounts. So I would say if you really want to trade with Apex, you have to have 20 accounts with them, so you won't, waste the chance to trade 20 accounts. Because once you move to live, there's no 20 accounts anymore. So you have to maximize your leverage with Apex. You should just start with 20 accounts. But of course, if you're new to prop firm, you shouldn't start with 20 accounts. So you just start with any other prop firms and get payout from those prop firms, so you can sponsor yourself to get to 20 accounts with Apex. So that is what I was doing with Apex at that time. So, I've started trading with Apex in 2023, and then obviously I just got a little payout, which is not, I didn't get medium payout at first time. So I got a little payout, which is not enough for me to keep on borrowing up 20 accounts. So I trade with other prop firms to get consistently payout, which is TPT. Before I get the median payout, that the prop firm that I got most payout from is TPT because of the daily payout. So I use those daily payout to support myself to get into 20 accounts in Apex. So that was, my game plan. Okay. No trade for the whole session. I think we can get some giveaway, right? So chat. So today's giveaway will be sponsored by AquaFutures. So thank you AquaFutures for sponsoring this 25K account. Yeah. So right now they're getting 60% off for all of their accounts you can use my code Candy. And for me, myself, I'm using the one-step standard account. They got instant account, but for their instant account, they have daily loss limit, which is hard bridge, and also intraday trailing. All right, so that's why I chose the one-step standard instead of other account. Yes. So in order to join the giveaway, you have to register an account on AquaFutures, which I will post the link here right now in the pinned chat. So you don't have to buy anything from them, not now, okay? I'm just to participate the giveaway. All you have to do is just register an account using my link for AquaFutures. No need to buy anything, it's all free. Okay, so after you sign up an account in AquaFutures, you can join my Discord, which the link is down in the info box of this live stream. So after you join the giveaway, I think I should just type it here, right? Yes, because I know no one is listening. Why is that Chinese coming? Yeah, so that's the thing you should do right now. So go to the giveaway channel. I will post a link now. I just posted. You think this is the job? Hard to tell. Because even ES is going up, and ES is so close to previous daily high and the daily FUG. The Google form cannot use. How come? I publish it. cannot use? I saw someone already fill in the form. So everyone can only get one entry, just to remind you. And if you didn't see your countries or region on the list, it's because your country is in the restricted country list for AquaFutures. I'm sorry to hear that, but like, no worries. Like after AquaFutures giveaway, we will have other platforms. We will always have other platforms. Maybe we can get some APAS or Fundanex or Lucid next time. But as I know, like Malaysia is restricted country for Fundanex. Why they ban some countries, I have no idea. They always said it's because of their countries got restriction. It's not because of the platforms, but like, I mean, Hong Kong can trade with most of the platforms, but you ban Hong Kong, so I kind of wondering which side is the real problem. I mean, for example, if Hong Kong got banned by like 90% of the platforms, then okay, yeah, we may got some problem here for our government, but like, obviously not. You're the only one they're banning us. So what are you talking about? My Fund of Futures also banned you. Yeah. So that's why it's so important to relocate. Relocate to some countries that don't get banned. Or you get another passport, then it will be fine. I mean, I'm fine. But I like using the Hong Kong flag. So because if, for example, AquaFutures ban Hong Kong or My Fund of Futures ban Hong Kong, then I have to use my UK passport, which I prefer not to. I prefer not to. Alright, so is everyone fill in all the form? Because I'm about to close it. They are lying, the pops. I think so. I think so. I think they're lying too. I think there's some compliance problems that their company find is too much risk to have business with that country. So it's not completely lie. They just like it's just a business decision for them for that company. But it's definitely not only because of that country's regulations. Alright, I will close the form right now. Okay. I can see that you guys don't like you guys don't like AquaFutures. By the participation for this giveaway, I can see that because when I'm doing Lucid giveaway, there's so many people joining. I don't care. It's free, right? Want it or not, it's free. AquaFutures. Alright. You ready, chat? You ready? Chat. Yes, yes. I'm gonna hide myself for a period of time. Time to start it. Yeah. Good luck, everyone. Good luck, good luck. Hello, hello. Who's Serena? XO. I don't even know what lead to trading. How am I gonna pronounce it? All right. Are you here? Please type something in the chat if you're here. Carlo Ballo is always the second. How come? You know, you're the second yesterday too. Are you here? I didn't see you. All right. Okay, I saw it. I saw it, friends. Okay, okay. So to claim the prize, just go to my Discord and create a support ticket. Support will tell you what to do. Great. So anything happen with the Che right now? Should I take some Che chat? I mean, like, before we're going down. I have some time. Maybe we can take a shot here. I don't know. I honestly didn't see anything though. No, I'm just kidding. I didn't see anything. It looks so good, but like 30. Wow, stop loss will be huge. 40 points. I probably need 40 points. No, no. I'm good. I'm good. No, no Che. It's alright. Yeah, I didn't see anything too. Oh, it's really sad, man. I want to take some chase. I want to take some chase. No, nothing here. No, I'm not entering. Patience. Today we got discipline. I feel like these glasses is not helping my chase, obviously, because I'm not getting any. I didn't get any setup after wearing these glasses, so no more glasses. No more glasses. Who knows? Maybe after the outro, I'll come back again, just like what we did yesterday. Like I suddenly got something after the outro. But yeah, I think that's it. Shade filter. We don't have anything. Yeah, I will see you all tomorrow at 2 a.m. Eastern Time. Thank you for tuning in today. Who's gonna be here again today? Not tomorrow, I mean tomorrow. I mean tomorrow. Try wearing different fancy glasses. I don't have fancy glasses. Alright, thank you. Thank you. Friends, the chat. Like, thank you for interacting with me here and being a good community, which is awesome, for real. You know, I've been to many community before, but I love this chat. I love you all. Thank you for coming. I'll see you all tomorrow. Goodbye.